How to reset your Fantasy Premier League team. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application FPL. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Well, first thing you should know that there is no any option or the feature where you can reset your team. But if you really want to reset, then all you want to do is delete your account and then create a new one. Only in that way, you will be able to reset your team. In order to do so, you have to open your Fantasy Premier League account in any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, move into the site of FPL, and then log into your account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Head over to Pick Team. Now scroll all the way down until you see the option of User Profile. Once you find it, head over to it. It will land you on this interface. Now scroll down and tap on Delete Your Account. Now all you want to do is enter the password of your specific account and then tap on Confirm Password. After that, your account will be deleted successfully. Once you delete your account, you have to create a new one. After that, you have to create a new team and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can reset your team on Fantasy Premier League. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.